Okay, so from now on, we are not gonna look at these renders or even these renders, because now we have the official renders of the Galaxy S23 series. That includes the S23, S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra. The craziest part is that all of the color options are also leaked with it. And the best part is that we don't have to argue on whether the display is curved. Not everything is visible here. And we can see the curved display. So let's talk about what we know now. So the Galaxy S22 series comes in a wide variety of colors, but the report claims that the S23 series will only be available in few different colors only. But then again, do keep that in mind, Samsung always gonna offer you a ton more color options on the Samsung.com exclusive devices at the starting of the launch. The S23 series will come in only Phantom Black, Cotton Flower, Misty Lilac and Botanic Green colors. And these are the marketing names of those colors. And you can see the colors by yourself on your screen. Colors don't really matter because we are probably going to use a case on it, so it doesn't make sense. And reliable leaker Rossi previously disclosed that this device will be offered in black, beige, green and a light pink color option. So yeah, this is what we have. Now we also know the S23 and the S23 Plus will have the pink as their signature option, and the green is for the Ultra model. Now talking about the whole design itself though, the S23 Ultra will actually maintain a boxy design of its predecessor, while the S23 and S23 Plus will have rounded corners. Even if you're thinking the phone, because it's gonna have a slightly boxy design at the sides, it will have a flat screen. No, not exactly. It will feel flat, but it will still be a curved display. So maybe next year, Samsung might just totally ditch this whole curved display in favor of a flat display. But until that happens, this is what we're gonna get. A more subtle curved display. But the standard models are gonna get a rear redesign. But that's not only it. The S23 Ultra will get a 200 megapixel Samsung's secret ISO camera sensor, which will have a crazy insane night vision capabilities. Now the performance wise, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, or the overclocked variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 to be more specific, will actually power this whole series worldwide. So there would be no Exynos this year, even though Exynos powered one secret Samsung phone is coming. We will talk about that in the future. The S23 Ultra, on the other hand, will perform really insane. If you want to know more about the recently leaked benchmarks that shows crazy numbers, then check out my recent video on that. Now, a leak from a few days ago said that S23 Ultra will be switching from 128GB base storage configuration to 256GB one. That means all the phones will have 256GB base storage option, but as you know, it's not true. In a tweet, tipster Roland Kwon actually said something else. He says that we're still gonna have 128GB base model. Most importantly, this storage configuration actually makes the high-end phones quite cheap, because this year Samsung is expected to also use UFS 4.0 storage technology. That is actually crazy faster yet power efficient compared to already great UFS 3.0 technology. So yeah, the technologies are improving, so things are getting expensive. That's why still they're offering the lower storage variants at that higher price tags. So yeah, it shouldn't make sense to some people, but yeah, it does make sense to most. Can you expect a price hike? Well, even though it seems very likely, but there is a chance that that will not happen because of the S22 Ultra's poor performance. So yeah, we might be lucky. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Light Beam. On any monitor, computer, tablet or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.